Here's some Guy Fawkes Night trivia. Subscribe. What event is represented by the phrase "remember, remember"? Is it A, Thanksgiving, B, Halloween, C, Guy Fawkes Night, or D, Independence Day? The correct answer is C, Guy Fawkes Night. What is traditionally burned on Bonfire Night? Is it A flag, B, a statue, C, an effigy, or D, a firework? The correct answer is C, an effigy. What were the plotters hoping to restore in England? Is it A, Dutch influence, B, Protestant republic, C, Catholic monarchy, or D, Anglican monarchy? The correct answer is C, Catholic monarchy. Which group was primarily responsible for the plot? Is it A, Royalist loyalists, B, Protestant rebels, C, merchant traders, or D, Catholic conspirators? The correct answer is D, Catholic conspirators. What did conspirators use to attempt the explosion? Is it A, gunpowder, B, nitroglycerin, C, dynamite, or D, TNT? The correct answer is A, gunpowder. What day is Guy Fawkes Night celebrated? Is it A, December 25th, B, October 31st, C, July 4th, or D, November 5th? The correct answer is D, November 5th. What is another name for Guy Fawkes Night? Is it A, Thanksgiving, B, Fireworks Night, C, Independence Day, or D, Halloween? The correct answer is B, Fireworks Night. What religious affiliation did Guy Fawkes convert to? Is it A, Catholicism, B, Methodism, C, Anglicanism, or D, Protestantism? The correct answer is A, Catholicism. In which decade was the first recorded celebration of Bonfire Night? Is it A, 1700s, B, 1800s, C, 1600s, or D, 1900s? The correct answer is C, 1600s. What year marked the first official observance of November 5th? Is it A, 1588, B, 1606, C, 1756, or D, 1701? The correct answer is B, 1606. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.